Japanese medal.
Yeah, Veronica, she was so good at it. She said she wants a medal, and the gentleman who was helping her, he said she deserved a medal. So given a Japanese medal.
Wow,
So
don't touch the doggy, Veronica. He can bite you. We don't know this doggy, Veronica.
And what's
$170.
170. Put your name on the board. Come here.
Yay, look at him. So lucky. Dorian, did you win the medal?
Yep.
Show it to everyone. Let me see close, I can't see it.
I'm the highest person on the leaderboard. And you know, guys,
Very nice.
Let me have a go.
Good shooting. We had a lovely time.
We had a lovely time at the farm.
Yeah, in the farm shop, in the fun fair, yes.
Yeah. Now we're going to be going to strawberry picking.
Yes, lovely. What have you got? The ice creams, yes?
Yeah.
And the farm made as well.
Malteser flavour.
Yeah, oh lovely. And chocolate topping on it.
It's my favourite.
Lovely. So, see you soon.